Today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So let's just first get the application from the Play Store. So here in the search bar enter Ampere, and now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open, click yes I agree, and pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK. And now here we can see the information with the temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 31. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.